Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Midjourney bot on Discord. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord. You simply need to click on open Discord and it will take few seconds to log in. Okay, so once it is login, so here you can see that Midjourney, click on that. So you simply need to add the slash, this one, and then you need to add the image in and hit enter. And now you have an option to add the prompt. So I'm writing a cute dog, and after that you need to click enter. And here you can see that due to extremely demand we can't provide a free trial right now, so you need to subscribe to Midjourney. And after that here you can see that another person create an image. So here you can see the different images that are created. So let's suppose I'm going to click on that. So this is the image. If you want you can save that image as well. So these are the prompt and other people generated with the help of Midjourney. So this is the process by which you can use Midjourney bot on Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.